Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know, the JAM is a joint entrance examination for MSc at different IITs. So it is a very important examination for those who want to join IITs for their master degree. So this is the question number 6 from section A. So let's see what is in this question. We need to find at what pH does polyglue in an aqueous solution from alpha helical structure. As this is an MCQ type question, we need to find the correct options among these given 4 options. The alpha helical is a common motif. Helical is a common motif in the secondary structure of proteins. In the secondary structures of proteins. It is a right-hand helix conformation in which every backbone NH group donates a hydrogen backbone to CO group. Right-hand helix conformation in which every backbone NH group donates a hydrogen bond to backbone CO group. Okay. And at the pH value of 3 polyglue, at the pH value of 3 polyglue, in an aqueous solution from alpha helical structure. In an aqueous solution from alpha helical structure. Okay. So therefore the right answer is the option A. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.